everybody, my name is Chris Wenzler, product specialist here at Heritage Ford. This week I'm going to showcase this 2022 Ford Maverick LARIAT. In the LARIAT line, you've got your XL, your XLT, and your LARIAT is your high. You also have the two different engines. You've got the hybrid engine and you have the 2.0. This engine on this vehicle is the 2.0. One of the things I'd like to point out is this Maverick here has got the automatic headlights. It has the automatic high beams, which is nice. When you're on a road, you don't have to worry about turning on your high beams. The high beams come on automatically, which is a really nice feature. Next feature I'd like to point out is the alloy wheels. The alloy wheels are great. It promotes a lot of airflow to the brake system. All right, the third feature I'd like to go over is the painted mirror covers and handles. What that does is it kind of just blends everything in the whole side of the truck. Next feature I'd like to have, which is the bed cover. This is a multi-fold bed cover. It does come standard on this vehicle. Next feature I'd like to point out, very simplistic, but it's the backup camera. The backup camera is really great when it comes to, backing up, keeping an eye on what's behind you, basically promoting a safer way of backing up. Now we'll go over some interior features. All right, now onto the interior. We had the ActiveX upholstery here, which is really good and durable. It also it really promotes keeping the vehicle interior clean. You spill a stain on it, get any type of debris on it, you just wipe it off and off you go. Next feature I'd like to point out is it does have the one-touch window, which basically means you just press the window button, the mirror or the side window will go down and the side window will come back up. Next feature I'd like to point out is the intelligent one-touch start system. The one-touch start system just quite simply means you press that button. Another feature I'd like to point out is you don't even really have to have a key. It's got the intelligent entry system where just quite simply keep this in your pocket, pull the handle and the door opens. Next feature I'd like to point out is the 8-inch screen. It is touch, basically eliminating any type of dial system. This particular vehicle, it's pretty well loaded as being a LARIAT. You've got your USB ports, you've got your one-touch rear sliding window, and really it's a very comfortable, small, compact pickup truck. Okay, now I guess we'll take this Maverick LARIAT on a little test drive. And once again, this week we are in this 2022 Ford Maverick LARIAT. It is somewhat new in their product line, but it's very, very popular. As far as the orders, they had to shut down the order bank on the Maverick. They had over 100,000 orders. And what they felt they needed to do was stop production for a little bit, get caught up on the people that, put their deposits down or purchased them in advance. And off we go. We hope that this vehicle will be available sometime in October to reorder, which will be by special order only. Like I mentioned before, this does have the 2.0. It's a 250 horsepower engine, and it has an 8-speed automatic transmission. As far as your efficiency ratings, this particular 2.0 gets 22 miles in the city, 29 miles on the highway, with a combined fuel efficiency or miles per gallon at 25, which is relatively good when it comes to being in the truck segment of Ford's lineup. The hybrid engine gets roughly 40 miles of the city, 40 miles of the highway. That could be a good option for anybody looking for an efficient vehicle that you may have to pick up mulch, so on and so forth. Now in this next portion of our test drive, we're going to put the 250 horsepower to the test, go through the 8-speed of transmission, just see how seamless this vehicle does shift and how it drives. Next portion of our test drive is we're going to go around some curves. Kind of feel how stable this vehicle is going around. All right, that just about wraps up our demonstration today. Once again, it's on a 2022 Ford Maverick LARIAT. Folks, my name is Chris Wenzler. I am a product specialist here at Heritage Ford. I'd love to show you as the inventory grows while buying a carriage Ford's a little bit better than the competition. Thank you very much and have a great day.